Hi there and welcome to binary options trading. I hope you guys are having a good day and you're crushing it with trading binary options. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a very cool strategy, right? And if you can notice on the chart right now, you can see some really fanciful stuff, right? Very colorful, a lot of rainbow and unicorns. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't started trading and you like to try it out or even trade live, then sign up in the link in the description below. I'm using IQ option, right? It's a very useful and beginner user-friendly platform, so sign up and you can follow along with this tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the rainbow moving average, and it's named rainbow because you can see there's a lot of different colors and the spectrum and the way they flow together, it makes it looks like a rainbow. And where you can find it is down below here. Click indicators, go to moving averages, so you can see a bunch of them and this rainbow moving average. So I'm gonna be starting out explaining what is this rainbow moving average. This rainbow moving average consists of multiple moving averages. So moving averages are simply a continuous rolling average of the prices in the past. So if you have a 10 period moving average, then the moving average would take the previous 10 candle or candlestick or bar prices and take the average of that and display them out. So this is useful for gauging the overall current momentum of the price. And the thing about a normal simple moving average is that there's a lot of different periods to use, and that will affect how you use them. There's a shorter period like 10 SMA, and then they have a very longer period like 200 SMA. And for 200 period, that's generally more to dictate the overall trend. Sometimes it can be confusing to know which is the right period to use. So a solution to that would be to simply use the rainbow moving average. So what this does is that it takes 10 different moving average and combines them together. So if you were to individually plot out 10 different moving averages with different period, you'll get something similar as well. So instead of plotting 10 one by one individually, you can just choose this rainbow moving average and boom, you've got this colorful looking indicator that is going to help you make a lot of profit. How we want to use this rainbow moving average is that firstly, you can use it as a reversal indicator. So what you do is that when the lines start to twist, right, that's a reversal. So you can see here, over here, right about here, it twists and it goes up, and then you can see the price start to change as well. If it twists from going down and it twists upwards, that's your long signal. You want to go higher or long, and when it twists downwards, like here it was going up and then they start to all twist down, then that's your signal to go short or lower. What you want to take note is that if you want to be on the safer side, you want to wait for all of them to sort of twist and you enter. But if you want to be quick, you could enter when when all of them haven't crossed over or twist, but you risk the chance that it might go sideways and you might not profit, like in here, because twist but then it didn't really completely twist until here. So there's this whole period of sideways choppy action, and it can be a little bit dangerous or hard to predict which way it will go. So if you enter around here, your chances are lower. But if you wait for everything to completely twist, then you have a higher chance as well. And you can combine it with the Heiki Eshi candle as well, which is this blue and red candlestick, right? It's one of my favorite candlestick that I use because it makes things really easy to see and observe, right? So if you want to learn more about this, I made a video on it and you can check it out. I'll leave it in the link in the description or on the top right corner where there's the card. You can click it and it'll link you to that video, right? It's a really great video where I show you what the Heikeishi is about. You can use it on its own and it's made me a lot of money, or you can combine it with combine it with other indicators as well, like this. Another method that you can use it would be to enter along with the trend. So for instance, say you've missed the current reversal and you would still like to get in on the trade. What you can do is to enter on as well. So for example here, this would have been around here, when it started to twist, you'll be good. But if you miss that, you can still enter along this field as well. The key here is you want to make sure that none of the moving average have already started to twist. What I mean by that is that if you see, for example here, when it starts to point down and some of it, the red crosses here, so this is a bad sign to enter because it will be too late by then. And you see here, if it's cutting it a little bit close, but generally if it hasn't crossed down, you are still fine. And another way to determine that would be how narrow or wide the rainbow bands are. So typically when there's a lot of action and volatility, which indicates that the price trend is strong, you'll see that the bands are wider apart from one another. And when it gets weak and the prices start to consolidate and reverse, you'll find that it tightens and become more narrow, like you could see over here. Let's find some other charts. Okay, so you can see some of it started to cross already, so I would go over here. Okay, nice. So we got a win, but that was pretty risky there because you see there's a lot of action going on, and I was pretty nervous as well. But in the last minute, it flowed through, the trend flowed through. But I probably, you see, it's all over the place. It's like down and then up, and then now it's down. So might wanna leave this one out for now. Let's find some others. Okay, I think here might be interesting. I'm gonna wait for all of it to cross because some of it has already started crossing but not fully twist yet, so I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Okay, and here we got the twist for a couple of red candles, so I'm gonna go short here. Okay, we've got a twist here as well, even though it's a bit choppy, but most of it went through and it's now blue, so and then bam, double profit here and here as well. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. You can see a clear, clean twist and then down, 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 down. So I think it's gonna go down even lower, and just looking to get a good entry. And there we go, made some profit, and sure enough, still going down. Okay, I think here we got a full crossover, and let's give it a try. Okay, so you see here where it's all over the place is definitely a no trade zone for if you are using this rainbow moving average. Okay, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna go higher. Got a full twist and a few blue candle bars. There we go. Profit again. Okay, this looks pretty good. Nice twist, nice uptrend. Alright. Profit here as well. Okay, this looks pretty strong. So sometimes you want to see that if it tries to cross down but fails, so this will be like the start of the continuation of the trend that it failed. So if it failed to go down, likely it's gonna continue going up. Wow, you got some crazy action going on. One bar, it went all the way up. So that's super bullish, but can be dangerous when it's gone up so high, and if you enter when it's very high, it might go down from there. So I'm gonna wait for it to stabilize a little bit first and then enter if and yeah, we just got a profit here. And I think this looks good, so I'm gonna continue. Right, everything is pointing up. Okay, so this is still going up. Seems pretty strong, so I'm gonna go. Alright, and we made profit as well. Again, here and here. Okay, so now I'm starting to sense some weakness in the price, and you can see it's starting to cross down. And this has turned red. But I'm going to wait to see how it plays out. Okay, so now it's starting to twist down, and I might want to short, but this is if I do, might want to wait for the price to go a little bit higher before entering. Okay. Now you see a lot of it has really crossed down, and wow, it's really starting to go down. Yep. This as well. Alright, profit again, and here as well. So you can see, guys, like this rainbow moving average is really useful and pretty easy to use. As you can see, I've just made a couple of winning trades. So if you want to try it out, sign up in the link in the description below and just follow what you see in this video, right? It's gonna be pretty fun to use as well. I mean, you can see it's pretty colorful, easy to use, right? I hope you enjoy this, and you see when it starts to trend, right, you've got so many different opportunities. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like it, give the videos a like, comment down below whether this strategy works for you or not, and also subscribe to my channel, Binary Options Trading, for more videos and tricks. to trade binary options. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.